Just helping my mom out. This is Tinker and Tom doing a little tune-up on a 2016 Subaru Forester. Just had to do the engine air filter. She basically goes to the dealership for all of her services, and they were trying to charge her a bunch of money, and she just needed an engine air filter, which is right here. 2 clips, and I put the new one in already. You just pull that out, put it back in the same way. So I did that already. And here was the condition of the engine air filter. There's some bugs in there. I don't know exactly how many miles in between our last one. The cabin air filter, because all this stuff they're trying to charge about, I don't know, $150 or something, you know, because they got to pay the labor. Like this, and it'll come out. You'll hear 2 little pops from the hinges that sit on this. So undo that, and then do that. And here's your cabin air filter. So to know that her cabin air filter is dirty, what did they probably already check it? Or they were already there. Oh, that's crazy. There's that one. A little dirty, huh? And then I'll show you the condition of the just remove that little piece and then tug it, pull it kind of like towards you. And I got the bulbs. I'm guessing they go in here. I gotta figure out how to open these. But yeah, there's those. Man, those are the main issues that they wanted done. Yeah. Here's a new one. So let's try this way. There we go. Should seat in there nice and easy. And then you just put this back in. So you reconnect this thing. I don't know exactly what that does. Boom. Well, there'll be some more work to do on some other vehicles soon. We are not going to change her battery yet. I don't really see a lot of corrosion anyway. I don't know what that is right there. But we can work with this for now, and it'll run good for a while. She just needs to keep up with the oil changes, and Subaru Foresters are pretty reliable as long as you do the maintenance. You want to cut it off, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, Tinker and Tom, please hit like and subscribe on the channel.